Okay, I have to show you something. Last week I found a tool that honestly changed how I make ads. You know that usual AI workflow, right? You write a long, complicated prompt. The result is almost right. So you rewrite it and again, revision after revision. Credits burning, hours gone. This tool skips all of that. You upload a photo of your product, you pick a ready-made template, and it hands you back a finished marketing video. Script, scenes, editing, done. It's called Pippit, and under the hood it runs on Seedance 2.0 Mini. Mini is the key word. Every video costs way less. In fact, 720p videos start from as low as 2 cents per second, which is incredible value for creators. So you can make way more. Pippit has a whole set of these templates. Today I'm testing 3 of them: narrative ads, brand film, and creator style commerce videos. One real product for each, and I'm keeping score on 2 things the whole way: speed and cost. Look at the result first. Yeah, that's what we are making today, and I will show you every single click. This is Pippit home screen. 2 ways to work. You can chat with the agent in this big box right here. Just type what you want, like I want a creative ad, or, and this is what I'm using today, look right under that chat box. These cards are the ready-made templates. That's where our 3 live: narrative ads, brand film, and creator style commerce video. Let's start with my favorite. First, narrative ads. Here's the difference. A traditional ad says, here's our product, here are the features, buy now. A narrative ad tells a story, and the product naturally plays a role inside that story. And right now, microdramas are exploding. People watch them like episodes, and your product gets to live inside the plot, not interrupted. My product is Arden, a premium men's watch I invented for this test. Let me show you the exact flow. I click the narrative ad cards and this panel opens. Look how simple this is. Product name, I type Arden. Product image, I upload this photo. And then the fun part, mini drama genres. Look at these options: werewolf and vampire, revenge, dark romance, hidden billionaire. There's even an auto match button if you can decide. I'm going with billionaire alpha male. For a premium watch, perfect fit. And that's it, no prompt to write. Pippit builds the whole story by itself. There's even an edit prompt button if you want to fine-tune what it wrote, but I'm leaving on autopilot. I hit generate, Pippit writes the scripts, plan the scenes, and Seedance 2.0 Mini renders the video. Let's see what came out.
Nice toy, intern. Did it come with your Happy Meal?
An Arden automatic? Only 500 of these exist.
Okay, this is fun. It actually plays like a mini drama. The tension builds and the watch shows up exactly at the turning point with a clean close-up. It doesn't feel like an ad, it feels like content you keep watching. One more time, and this is exactly where Seedance 2.0 Mini matters. Story ads lives or die on testing. Different hooks, different plots, different genres. Before, every test was expensive. Now the cost per test is low enough that I can try a few genres and just keep the winner. That's not a small upgrade, that's a different way of working. Second, brand film, the premium one. Think TVC style. Cinematic framing, high-end mode, the kind of video that normally needs a director, a studio, and a serious budget. My product is Nordwood, a beard balm for men. And the concept is basically writes itself. Forest, morning light, and the lumberjack with a serious beard. Back on the home screen, I click the brand film card. Brand name, Nordwood. Brand image, I upload my product photo. Quick tip straight from the tool itself. Clean white background photos, keep the product consistent across every shot. Then the brand slogan film. This one line says the whole tone of the film, so make it count. Mine is short, built for the wild. And here's the part that matters more for brand films, the mood board. This is your visual style reference. I upload 2 images with the exact vibe I want. Dark forest, gold morning light. That's how Pippit captures the mood you're going for. Generate, let's see what came out. Okay, wow. That honestly looks like a real commercial. The forest light, the slow camera moves, the whole mood, and that product shot at the end is clean enough to run as a paid ad tomorrow. Let me play it again. The lighting stays consistent, the product stays sharp, the pacing feels intentional. And here's why Seedance 2.0 Mini matters for brand films. Stability at a reasonable cost. Most teams want polished branded content, but they can't make every asset on an expensive one-off production. With Mini you get the high-end look without the high-end invoice. Quality stops being a luxury. Third, creator style commerce videos. This is UGC, a creator talking about your product like a real recommendation. It doesn't look like an ad, and that's exactly why it converts. My product Altura, a thermos made from an ultralight alloy that's basically indestructible. You buy it once, you keep it for life, made for people who love the mountains. So the creator should match the audience, a woman in her mid-30s out on a trail, talking like a real hiker. Same place, one card over, creator style commerce video. Product name Altura, product image uploaded. Then selling points, you can actually leave this blank and the AI analyze the product by itself. But I want control over the message, so I type mine. Ultralight alloy, basically indestructible, keeps drinks hot all day, built for mountain lovers. Creator a woman in her mid-30s, hiking, authentic and outdoorsy. Video ratio 9:16 vertical, made for TikTok, Reels and Shorts, and generate. And now watch what Pippit does. It works step by step like a small production team. First it generates the creator and look at her, exactly what I asked for. A woman in her mid-30s, hiking jacket, mountains behind her. And if you don't like the creator, just tell Pippit, it readjusts until you are happy. Then it writes the full video script, shot by shot. Timing, spoken lines, even the text appears on screen. This is a complete storyboard and I didn't write a single line of it. And here's a detail I really like. Before spending any credits on the video, it stops and asks you to conform. You can still change the ratio, the platform, the pacing, the scenes, or hit regenerate for a fresh idea. I'm happy with this one, so conform. Let's see what came out.
I finally found the last bottle I'll ever buy. Ultralight alloy, but basically indestructible. Keeps my coffee hot all day, even in this cold. Built for the mountains, made for life. Get yours now.
I love this one, she generally feels like a hiker, not an actress. The mountain light looks natural and the production stays sharp in every single shot. And that opening line, the last bottle I'll ever buy. That's a hook a real creator would write. Drop this into a feed and it blends right here. And this format is where Seedance 2.0 Mini really shines. Batch production. You don't need one creator video, you need 10. Different creators, different hooks, different audiences. With 720p video generation starting from as low as 2 cents per second, creator content at scale finally makes financial sense for daily social marketing. Now the part that hits hardest, the math. Think about what you just saw. A mini drama narrative ad, a cinematic brand film, a creator style commerce video. 3 products, 3 audiences, 3 completely different styles. Doing this the traditional way, the narrative ad needs actors and a location, the brand film needs a studio, a director and a crew, the UGC video needs creators, briefs, contracts, shipping product and waiting. For all 3 you're easily looking at thousands of euro and 2 to 3 weeks minimum, probably more. I did all of it in one afternoon from my desk, with 3 photos and a few clicks. And the real win isn't even the price of one video, it's the volume. At this cost you stop asking which one idea can we afford to produce and start asking which 10 ideas should we test this week. That's a completely different game for marketers. Full transparency, you still need the taste, you still pick the best outputs, adjust the inputs, reject the weak ones, the human stays in the loop, but the production barrier, gone. If you want to try this yourself, the Pippit link is in the description. Grab one product photo, pick a format, narrative ads, brand film or creator style commerce and make your first video today. And I'm curious which formats fits your product best, drop it in the comments, subscribe for more workflows like this, see you in the next one.